Christy. I'm a Thermomix user, also a team manager from Thermomix Singapore. I bought a Thermomix TM31 12 years ago. When Thermomix opened their first Singapore office 5 years ago, I decided to embark into the journey as an advisor to earn some pocket money. As a mother of 4 and with a special needs child, it is really not easy for me to work full-time due to my busy schedule. But yet, I need an income, and also I want to share healthy eating, easy cooking method to everyone, especially mothers. I'm so inspired to share my experience from having zero knowledge in cooking to being a hero in the kitchen. It may sound unbelievable to many, but truly, Thermomix is really a wonderful machine. I believe in Thermomix, and I'm motivated to share with everyone that you're really no need to know how to cook, but able to cook a decent yet delicious meal. You just need a Thermomix, right? So you know you have joined a good company, and you know you are under a guidance of a good team manager. So give your heart to learn and work hard towards your goal. Thank you.